10 divided by 2 is just 5, and 10 divided by 2 which equals to 5. Then 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, if in the expression only one operation, we have to do from left to right. First we have to do this division, and next this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this one or this division, it is wrong. So from left to right, we have to do this division first. 10 divided by 2, which equals to 5. Then divided by 10 divided by 2. So here 5 divided by 10, okay? 5 divided by 10, which equals to 5 over 10. 5 over 10 means 1 over 2. Then divided by 2, okay? 1 over 2 divided by 2. Then according to the case F rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Therefore, we have to keep the first fraction, and we change division into multiplication, and flip the second number, which is 1 over 2, okay? Then 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. 1 times 1, which equals to 1, and 2 times 2, which is 4. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? The correct answer of this problem is equals to 1 over 4.